most soothing award.
Well, after being shocked and dazzled, that's what we need.
Yes. Let's see how we soothe it. But I don't know. Daddy, what do you think?
I think that we bring out. Hopefully, they will be soothed by winning this next trophy.
And the IOCCC Most Soothing Award goes to tompng from Japan.
So, it is quite a soothing source code. You got this nice friendly letter to relax. You're already beginning to relax. And you got this nice curvy things and no sharp edges. There is some interesting...
Definitely no C sharp.
Yeah. Oh, yes. I will point out, by the way, as part of the fun challenge, you'll find throughout this code a 0.5. There'll be various 0.5s you'll find here. That's a 1.5, but here's a 0.5 over here, so forth. You'll find various 0 or 0.5 constants. And your challenge is to explain the purpose of those 0.5s. And then if you change that 0.5, like here's another one over here, so forth, if you change that 0.5 to a different value, what does it do to the sound? This is going to be, what do you mean by sound? Well, let's see what it does with the 0.5.
Let's hear.
Here's the source code, by the way, and I'll point out that there's not much in the way of constants out there. There's this one function here. We have this G function here, and the rest is this main. There's some macros, but not much. There's a couple of constants out here. Some constants here, but otherwise, it's a fairly mysterious as to what it does. And what does it do? Well, but here's the bottom half of the main program. So you had the top half with the G function and beginning of main, and bottom half with this various logic and things, but you see trig functions, but what does it do? Going to run it. This is what it does. It starts off with a couple of bubbles, layers them on top of each other, and then you have this soothing music that comes into on top of it, all being generated by that program. The layering of the bubbles starts off building bubbles that pop, and then laying on top of each other to build the ocean-like thing, and then adds this wonderful little sound thing that's quite soothing and relaxing.
Quite soothing indeed.
So see if you can figure out what the 0.5 constants are in that source code, and describe what happens when you change that 0.5 constant to something else.
Well, congratulations for winning the second time. So we're looking for more.
Yes. Well done. Well done, tompng. Well done. And yes, people asking, you will hear it again. But you will hear it again, and we'll explain that. Or should we do that one? There's the request on there. Could we go in, kind of go back to do that one thing for the entry again, because they wanted to hear it?
Yeah, we can, without anybody talking. Yeah, let's relax for a moment more. Give me a second. And I believe it can produce relaxation at arbitrary lengths.
Yes, that was just a short example of it. There.
Well, now that we're all thoroughly relaxed, let's find out what we can be excited about next.